Hello, Math 4B pre-calculus students. This is Mr. Herron, your instructor. Welcome to the fall semester of 2024. Let me put my glasses on here and share my screen. And there we go. All right, so let me go over some of the ways this online course will work. We of course are an online course. We don't meet face to face at all, but I do have office hours in which you can meet me face to face or on Zoom. I'll explain. So here we go. Let me start right off the bat with just the way things are generally going to work. Basically, you're going to have homework due every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. In fact, let me just show you the calendar right now. I'm here on the home page. I'm on the home page of our Canvas course. So the way to get into this is you just go on Canvas and you should see Math 4B, and in your Canvas dashboard, click on it. And once you've enrolled in Canvas and click on the course, this is the home page you'll see. Here's the calendar. So right on the home page, we have the calendar. Let me click on that. The calendar says that Monday, August 12th is kind of an introduction day, where that's what I'm doing right now. It's just giving you introduction to the course. And then Wednesday, we have homework 2.5 due. And Friday, homework 2.6. See this calendar? And then next week, Monday 2.7, Wednesday 3.1, Friday 3.2. You can see how there's about 3 sections every week. They're due on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can do them ahead of time. You don't have to work on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You can do everything on the weekend and take the rest of the week off. Whatever. They're just due by those dates, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then our first exam right there is the end of the 3rd week, September 1st. It's due by Sunday. It'll be open. It's already open right now. You can take it anytime, but it's due by September 1st. All right. So that's the calendar. Let me go back to the home page again. So again, I'm here on the home page. That was calendar. If you click on calendar, you'll see what I just showed you right there. So let's begin by looking at some of the homework. So if I click over here on assignments, or if you just look over on the right, you can see what's due. See, it says 2.5 lecture homework is due. Or you can click on assignments. I'm going to click on assignments here. And it says upcoming assignments, 2.5 lecture homework. There's also a syllabus quiz, which is due on Wednesday, but we'll get to that in a little bit. But here we have 2.5 lecture homework. That's like a regular homework assignment. Let me click on that. Click on that. And it says, all right, hit start. Start. It gives you these instructions. And basically, let's just go to the first question. So here we are. I'm on the first question. It says solve x squared plus 14x plus 13 equals 0. It wants answers. And you might think, my goodness, how am I going to do that? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this video right here. See this little video link at the bottom? Every homework problem in the course has a video link at the bottom. Those are my videos that I made. Well, 99% of them are my videos. Every now and then, like 1% of them are somebody else's videos, but 99% are my videos I made to show you how to do that type of problem. Let me show you. So you click on that video and push play. And there I am. I'm talking. I'm sure. See, that's one just like ours, but a little different. Not exactly the same. You can see it's a 12-minute video. You can jump along. You'd say, I got that, Miss Partman. Okay, what do you do now? Oh, you do the factoring with the parentheses. Oh, and you got to find the numbers. Oh, I see. You can skip along and go, oh, yeah. Then just close that. Then suppose you feel like you got it. You go, okay, I think the answers are 2 and 7, which of course they're not. I'm showing you how the homework system works. I submit it. It says, nope, you're wrong. It says, what does it say? It says 0 of 1. But it says, you can retry this question. Oh, okay. I'm going to go, I think it's 3 and 4. Try again. Nope. 2 strikes. Okay. I think it's 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Submit. It goes, nope. 3 strikes, you're out. You missed the question. It no longer says you can try again. And an answer key appears. See that little key there? That's the answer key. If I click on that, it says, oh, there's the answers. It was -13 and -1. And then you think, oh, I'm going to watch the video again. You click on the video, go, okay, now I've got it. But now I got it. Now you can click, give me a new one. When you click on that, it'll change the question randomly with the numbers. It'll be the same type of question. Here we go. Boom. Now it's x squared minus 23x plus 132. And you can fiddle around with that, watch the video, try again. You basically have 3 attempts, and then you can redo a new question. So really you have infinite tries. And once you get it right, it's right. If you think, I don't like this, I'm going to go on number 2. You can work on that one. And then there's a video down here for that one. Go to number 3. There's a video down here. Go to number 4. There's video down here, etc., etc. So that's how the homework system is going to work. You have infinite tries, 3 at a time, and then it gives you a new version. You have videos you can watch, my videos, to show you how to solve those type of problems. All right. Now, also what'll help you is notes. Let me show you. Let me come back here. What do you say? I'm going to take a break from the homework. You know, you can go in and out of the homework. You can do 2 or 3 questions and then close down your computer, do something else, go back, do 4 or 5 more. You know, this first assignment is not due till Wednesday at midnight. See how it says it? Well, if you click back into it, you'll see it's, let me go back to assignments. I'll show you. On assignments. So I'm clicking on assignments. Upcoming 2.5, it's due August 14th. That's Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. midnight. Anyway, here's what else will help you. I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to click on notes. You see notes right here. I'm on the home page. I'm going to click on notes. And when you do, there's exam 1 notes, both PDF and doc versions, which is Word doc. And then exam 2 notes, both versions, exam 3, 4, and 5. So all 5 exams, there's either PDF or Word, whatever works for you. I'm going to click download it, or you can just open it. I'm going to download it. Click on download. You put it over here in my downloads. I click on it, open it up. No, I'm not going to worry about that. There it is. Exam number 1 notes. So this is how do you solve an x cubed or x squared and x to the first by factoring. And you see I'm giving an example here, and I go through this with you. And then I show you another example. How do you solve x squared with no x to the first? And on you go. There's about 6 pages, I think it is, of notes. You can use these notes on your homework and also on the exam. You can print them out if you want, or just use them online. Probably helpful to print them out, I would think. Anyway, so back to the course page. So what I've shown you so far is where to find the homework problems. You go to click on assignments, and it'll show you what is due when. Calendar also, you can click on that. It'll show you when everything is due, when we have our exams and everything. Click on notes right here on the home page to get the notes, which you should print out probably. That'd be the best way. They'll help you with the problems. But the main thing is those videos, which I've linked at the bottom of every homework problem. All right. And you can use, let me be clear, all the notes you want on exams. You can use those notes, your own notes, any notes you want on the exams. In fact, let me show you about exams. So if I come back over here, you see our first exam is due, if I click on the calendar, first exam is due, by the end of the 3rd week, September 1st, Sunday. You can take it anytime. It's open right now. It covers 2.5 to 3.5. So you can work ahead, take that exam early. It's an online class, work at your own pace. You just have certain due dates. So the exams, see over here, you can see, well, you have to go to assignments again. If you click on assignments one more time, then I'll roll down and it says, there it is, exam number 1. Now, that exam requires a Respondus lockdown browser. I'm going to send you a video later, maybe in a week or something, or actually probably just in about a few days, showing you how that works, because that's a little tricky. And but basically it means you have to have a webcam, either a laptop or a desktop computer with a webcam, like you're looking at me now in my video, because I've got to be able to see you while you take exams. In fact, specifically, I've got to see your hands. So I make sure they're not on a cell phone, because cell phones will do all this stuff automatically. Anyway, I'll send you a separate video about that. But our exams must be taken on a computer with a webcam. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can take your exams at the Fresno City College Library. We have computers with webcams there. We only have 5 exams plus the final, so you just need to make 6 trips to campus to do that, or you can borrow a friend's computer with a webcam if that works better for you. But we do have them at the Fresno City College Library. We have a couple of labs that have computers with webcams. I'd be glad to help you with that. Anyway, so there's the exams. On the exams, you can use all the notes you want, as I said, but you have to be on that video camera so that I know you don't have a smart friend helping you and you're not using technology. So, all right. So let me jump down. There's our textbook there. I'm on the home page. I'm just showing you the stuff on the start here. That just shows you this video. Notes, I just showed you. That's where our notes are. Click here. This is a calculator and a matrix calculator. You can click on that. That you can use those during the exams, or you can use your handheld calculator. Either one's totally fine. And there's Zoom. If you want to meet with me on Zoom to get some help for office hours, you can do that. In fact, here's the textbook. If you click on these, it'll be the textbook. Honestly, most people never even look at the textbook. They just use my videos and my notes, and that's fine. There's Fresno City College math tutoring down here. And then lastly, I want to show you, there's my contact Mr. Heron. Let me click on that, my picture. And there it is. It says, I will be both on Zoom and in my office in Science 5, bottom level, during my office hours this fall, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 11:30 to 1 and 4 to 5. If you want help at a different time, text me. There's my cell number. Text me and we can set up a different time to meet on Zoom or in person or whatever. And so that's basically it. That's how the course is going to work. You're going to do your work, but under assignments. And then about every 3 weeks, we have an exam. And I'll send you more information in a separate video about that exam. One important thing, though, so I'm looking over here at my notes, things to say, is you do have to regularly do homework. Let me click on assignments again. That's how I know you're still part of the course. It's like attendance is doing regular homework. So basically, if you miss 6 assignments, that's 2 weeks of class. If you have zeros, I should say, on 6 assignments, we go back to the home page, click on the calendar, show you what I'm talking about right there. So yeah, so see how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you miss 6 assignments, that's 2 weeks of class. If you have zeros on 6 assignments, you may be dropped from the course. So make sure you hear me on that. I don't want anybody to be surprised. I always have people that are shocked and surprised when I drop them. They're like, Mr. Heron, what happened? And I'm like, do you remember that first day? You remember the syllabus says it. You remember I said it in the intro video. You have to be regularly doing your work in an online class. That's how I know you're part of it. If you end up having zeros on 6 assignments, you may be dropped from the course. So make sure you keep up. I'm glad to help with office hours. And all right, I guess that's basically it. So I'll stop this video where I'm at, and you feel free to dial in with me if you have questions. I gave you on the back on the home page, you can click on Contact Mr. Heron, and you've got my email, and you can send me an email through Canvas as well. Probably the easiest thing is just send me a message through Canvas. And also gave you my cell number there. You can contact me. All right. Welcome to our course in the fall semester of 2024. I hope it's a good one for you.